Hi, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're back working again on the Jaguar XJS 4-litre Celebration. Our little job we've got today is to remove the steering wheel. These are the tools that you'll need. Well, you'll obviously need the keys so you can unlock the steering lock. A magnet is preferable, Phillips screwdriver, some long nose pliers, a flat screwdriver, a very slim ratchet, and a 13mm socket. Just to give you a quick rundown of what we've got to do to remove this wheel. Firstly, before we do anything else, as it's got an airbag, we need to disconnect the battery. Right, we've disconnected the battery. Now the next job is to take the lower part of the steering cowl off. Right, as you can see, we've removed the lower part of the steering cowl. The only thing that's holding that lower part of the steering cowl on is three very small Phillips screws. So undo those and the plastic cowl will drop down. Right, looking at the back of the steering wheel, we're just going to turn it, and now you can see the hole that has a 13mm nut. Right, after we've undone that nut, if you just turn the steering wheel the other way, then you'll see another hole, and that is another 13mm nut. That needs to be removed also. So you've got two 13mm nuts there. Now, you need to lift this up, and behind there is a bit of a contraption. Now, basically, you need your long nose pliers to turn that little threaded screw out. And then once you've got it down so far, you can push this flap back there, if you can just see this mechanism, and get a 13mm socket on there and then undo it. Once you've undone that and those other two 13mm nuts, you're good to go. And then basically what will happen then, if I'm very careful, it's very difficult to do this one-handed. There we go. There is the airbag unit. All right. So that is literally the airbag unit. So you take that off, and then to get your steering wheel off is this big nut here, this big lock nut. Now, make sure the steering wheel's straight when you take it off. But this is the bolt that comes through, the 13mm from the other side, where you've got to slide that piece of metal across to get to the top of the head of the bolt. Okay, and then once you've undone that, that will release the airbag unit. Bit of a contraption, but anyway, it's fairly simple to do. So we're going to go ahead now and take the big nut off there, and then the wheel can come off. We're taking it off for refurbishment of the wood.